98 GMC Chevrolet Blazer. Just wanted to let you know and so that you can see what your vehicle looked like. This vehicle smells extremely bad. It's got mold built up on it. You can see around the edging there, it's got a, I guess it's been water that leaked into the car, which is going to leave it kind of moldy, smelly. It's on the headrest, all over the car. So this car is going to need an extensive cleaning on the inside. Anybody that has allergies or something would not want to drive this car because it could be a potential health hazard. On the outside of the vehicle, we got some damage there. The tires are dry rotted. Gonna need some new tires. You can see the dry rot there. This mirror is gonna need to be replaced. Again, the dry rot on the tires. I do recommend a full set of tires for this particular vehicle. Whenever they removed the motor, it looks like they just ripped it out instead of doing it the proper way. There's no motor mounts for the attached vehicle. Battery vehicle will need to be replaced. That's dead. There was not a cap on the power brake booster, so that's going to need to be flushed, as well as all the brake fluid inside will need to be flushed out of the vehicle. This fluid will absorb water, and looking at the color of it, we can definitely tell it's no good. There's a number of fuses missing. Oh my gosh. Looks like they just took this vehicle apart and stripped it out for parts or something. There's a lot of stuff missing here from this vehicle. We do have the AC compressor down there. We can see the metal shavings down in the bell housing. To let you know that this thing was pulled out rather violently to leave all that much metal shaving down in the pan of the transmission. Concerns me that they may have damaged the transmission by prying that engine off without taking it off appropriately. I can see some damage around the shaft there, but that pump, if they cracked or damaged the pump, then that transmission is not going to be. Looking at the vehicle on the outside, obviously it's dirty. Won't close all the way because they left the bolts there, which got in the way of when they were trying to close the hood. Again, this tire will need to be replaced. This is, of course, filthy, dirty. Looks like it's been sitting probably about a year. This tire will need to be replaced as well, along with the battery. There's some more parts in the very back of the vehicle. We have a radiator. Not sure of the condition of the radiator. Water pump. Water pump looks old. Would recommend replacing it. Alternator. Looks like it's seen its better day as well. Power steering pump. Intake manifold. It's seen quite a bit of wear as well. And your distributor. Those are the parts on the inside of the vehicle. Again, this is a 98 model Jimmy